What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz, and if you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? Girl, I know I look a bum. I was shopping all damn morning because Mondays are my day off. So I was at like 7 stores today. So I apologize for looking a mess. Yeah, I look a mess. I just wore like a big ass hoodie and was just doing my shopping I needed to. Of course, last minute as always. And Christmas is literally in like a couple days. And I've been slacking, so that's why I look a bum. I just threw on a lipstick and jumped on camera because this bad boy. So this finally came in. I'm so excited. As you can tell from the title, this is the Jeffree Star mystery box. This is the winter one, and I got the premium box. She looks so cute. She has the little snowflakes and of course the Jeffree Star Cosmetics symbol. I was so excited. I came home and I seen this on my bed. My grandma was just like, here's your package, and I'm like, oh my god, like it came in. So literally threw my bags down and I wanted to jump on camera because this is gonna be a busy week. This is probably gonna be the only time I'm able to film this, and I don't want it to be going up too late because I know there's already like spoilers out there, which I did see one, but I was really trying not to see. Usually I try to kind of see the spoilers, but this time I was like, I'll just wait. You know, it's busy time, Christmas and all that. So let me shut up and stop ranting, and let's get right to opening this box. Y'all, let's open this box. Got my little handy dandy Menards scissors. Still have these from back in the day. And then let's open her up. So like I said, this is the premium box. They did have 4 tiers. They had a mini, a premium, a deluxe, and then a supreme. So I think the first one was like 25 bucks. Second one was 60. Third one was 120, and then the supreme box was like 175, or it was something like that. Like I know it was more than 120 because that's how much the deluxe was. So I usually always go for the premium. Like I want to buy the big boxes, but then I'm like, I just can't justify buying $100 and something worth, not even knowing what's gonna be in there. Like, yeah, it's probably gonna be worth it, but I don't know, maybe one day. Oh my god, I can't get this open. One day I'll open her up. One day I will buy her, but let me get her open. All right, so there you can see it has the green. Ooh, and then the first thing I see in here is this bad boy. This is so cute. I love, honestly, when they be giving us these little beanies. This is so cute. And it's, you know what? Actually, I don't got a white one. So this is perfect. But I'm sorry, I keep ranting. But this is a white little beanie. It says Jeffree Star on it. And then it has, of course, the little pink pom-pom on it. Let me open her up. All right. She looks good material. They usually are pretty good material. I'm so mad. I liked the one that we got for Halloween. It was like the black and orange one, but my head is too damn big. It doesn't fit my head. Like it fits on, but it looks like one of those like you're trying to like wear a kid's one, and I'm not trying to be like that. Oh, so. But this is cute. Ooh, it's so soft. Yeah, this one would definitely fit me. Oh, yeah. Definitely. I don't want to... I'm so scared with white because I don't want to get any makeup on it. But she'll definitely fit. Like I said, it was just that one for some reason that didn't fit. Because even the red one that we got in the Valentine's Day boxes, that one fit, but for some reason that black one. But yeah, it definitely looks like it fits, and it's super cute. It's super warm. I absolutely love beanies, especially me out here, you know, in Northwest Indiana. It'd be cold. We'd be getting snow, and I'm not ready for all that yet, but we definitely love our beanies out here, so I'm excited that we got this. I can't wait to see what else is in the box though. All right, so for the next item in the box, I did already see a spoiler for this. I'm not gonna lie to you. This item also I do have already, but it is pretty awesome if you don't have this. So she is the Conspiracy palette, which, like I said, I love this palette. I'll actually show you right now, so I won't open this one. So here is mine. Ooh, backwards. Here is mine right here. She is a beautiful palette, let me tell you. I absolutely love this palette. She is neutral. She got some bright colors. She got some shimmer in it. She is such a pretty palette. This was the one that they collabed with Shane Dawson. And honestly, like, it's a good palette. And even though I probably will give this one away, I'm glad other people got it because honestly, it's a good palette. This packaging is amazing. The formula is amazing. And honestly, just because I already have this palette, I'm not like upset or anything because it is what it is. Like, if you buy Jeffree Star stuff, then you're probably gonna get duplicates, you know, eventually. So honestly, I'm not mad. I said honestly I'll probably just give this away, but this is really cool that we got it in the box because I know there's some people who don't have it. So this is actually really cool. It's full size, and yeah, that was the second one. All right, and then next in the box is this bad boy right here. This looks like it's the 4-piece reusable drinking straw set. This is the green one. It looks like it comes with the 3 straws, and then it comes with like a cleaner right there. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, but it comes right there. And honestly, I don't have any of his straw sets. Don't hate me, but I honestly don't even have metal straws. I know a lot of places are kind of like switching over, like Starbucks, they're switching to those cups that you don't even need the straw. So honestly, I just didn't feel like I needed to buy any, but honestly, it's pretty cool that I got it now because I could even use this because I do make cups. I can use this for like my own personal cups instead of using, you know, plastic straws. So this is pretty cool. And from what I know, these are kind of like expensive. So win-win that we got it in the box. All right, 2 more items in the box. Ooh. So we got a velour liquid lipstick. Ooh, in Celebrity Skin. Oh my God, I don't have this one. I don't have her. Let me see. Ooh, she's so pretty. I love my nudes. This is so, ooh, I'm so excited for this. Even though we haven't really been able to wear like liquid lipsticks, I'm gonna rock this. Maybe I'll wear this on Christmas because this color is so pretty. It's a nudie color. I love his liquid lipstick formula. They're so amazing. The one I'm actually wearing right now is Gemini. Let me just double check. Yep, Gemini. That's the one that I have on right now. Beautiful formula. It honestly doesn't even feel like you have anything on your lips. It's not drying. It don't get all crusty or nothing like that. So I'm so glad that we got one of them in the box because I actually don't have this one. Last thing I see in here is the gloss. So this is his lip gloss formula. This one is in Spank Me. Looks like a pinky color. I do have one of his glosses. We got it in like a previous box. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's see if I can open it. Ooh, super bright. That is a bright, glittery lip gloss. I personally, I like gloss, but not all the time. I kind of got to be in the mood for it. And honestly, I don't know if I'd necessarily wear this color. It is a beautiful color, don't get me wrong. It looks like it has like pink and blue shift to it. Like, don't get me wrong, it's pretty. But honestly, will I probably wear this? Probably not. I'll probably give this away too, but she is pretty. You know, like I said, it's always cool to get like certain items in the box that, especially if you're like new to makeup or you're even like new to Jeffree Star stuff, it's cool to like get things like this because you're like, okay, now I know the formula of the gloss. Now I know the formula of the liquid lipsticks. Like, you get to try them out without paying like all this money. Like, you can literally buy a box and you can try certain formulas. One thing I do gotta say is I do like the formula of his gloss. It's not like sticky, it doesn't get like goopy, none of that. It is a pretty good formula, so if you do like lip gloss, I would definitely recommend him. All right, so that was everything in my box. It was the Celebrity Skin liquid lipstick, it was the gloss in Spank Me, it was the little straw set, there's 4 of them in here, and then it was the Conspiracy palette, you know, full size shebang, and then, oh, here it goes. Then it was the little beanie. So I do like everything in this box. I do think it was a pretty decent box. Just because I'm not going to use the Conspiracy palette and maybe the gloss, I don't know, we'll see, because I mean, it was a pretty color. It's just I get scared with colors like that, but we'll see. Everything else I will honestly use. Like I said, I love these beanies. I love his formula for his liquid lip. So in my personal opinion, I think it was definitely worth it. I really want to see what other people got in their boxes, like the Supreme box, the deluxe box. I really want to see like what people got, because I low-key, like I said, I low-key wanted them, but I just couldn't get myself to pay it. So surely appreciate you guys so much. Please be sure to definitely subscribe and also ring that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you would definitely be notified. And also, don't forget to follow all my socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my IG, my TikTok. It is all the same. It is the Jams2535. Also follow my small little business page, you know, a girl trying to hustle and do her thing. It is the Jazzy Jewels on Facebook and Instagram. I'll be making earrings. I'll be making cups. I'm trying to dabble in that world. I don't know. I'm trying to even try other stuff that I want to be making. I don't know. A lot of stuff is going to be coming in 2021. But definitely look me out there. And I think that was it. I feel like I'm out of breath. Oh my God. But I will see you guys in the next one. Please have a good holiday. Have a good Christmas. Whatever y'all celebrate. Enjoy your family. Enjoy this time. 2020 has been one hell of a year. So honestly, just life is too short. Live to the fullest. So that's the best advice I could give. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.